Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this delicious fluffy looking bread. Let's get started. So just follow along and I will put the ingredients in the description box. So my name is Esohe Osazua. Okay, you're welcome to my channel and you're welcome to my page, all my social media. You are all welcome. On my last video I noticed a huge turn up. I want to say thank you to all of you that subscribe to my channel, that like and share my video and commented on it. Like, I'm so grateful to y'all. Thank you very much. But I did got one comment that I wasn't so happy about. Somebody said, ooh, it seems like people are so broke these days to even afford a milk. I'm like, what? I'm like, Anyways, this recipe called for water, but if you want to use milk, like I always say, please use milk. The reason why I don't use milk is because I'm allergic to milk. When I drink milk, it breaks me out. That's why I don't use milk. I used to use milk on my dough to make meat pie or bread, whatnot, but I noticed some change in my body, and that's why I stopped using milk. Please, if you do not like water, you can use milk. I love water. Water works for my body, and that's why I use water. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so you can see the editing of this video, like it's really top notch. Just in case you don't see me posting video every day, it doesn't mean I'm not doing something. I am learning something. Okay, I'm reading, I'm doing research, I'm learning stuff and all this. Look at these edits of this video. Like, I shoot my video and I edit it very good, right? Okay, so do me the honor, like this video, comment, subscribe, share, and follow my page if you're not doing so. So let's have a taste of this good looking bread. You first, take a bite and let me take the remaining bite. Oh my goodness, this take me to my paradise. Oh my god, this is a job well done. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again on my next video. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Love y'all.